very proud occasion when 16th of June 2004, Dr. G.C. Raju, the Chief Medical Director of South Southern Railway, he visited the hospital. He wrote, visited this prestigious hospital of Southeastern Railway at Garden Reach. Though started in a small beginning, it has become well-planned multi-specialty hospital headed by young, enthusiastic and specialists and super specialists, most which are performing very systematically. IT culture requires spread fast in the. My compliments to the dedicated young family members and my best wishes for to all the doctors to raise the status further high. This was the comments by Dr. G.C. Raju, the CMD, Southern Railway, who visited this hospital on 16th of June 2004.